Otis College of Art and Design presents Drawing, Two-Point Perspective. With me, Barry Fahr. Hello. In this video, I will show you how to draw in two-point perspective. I will draw an imaginary room. I will be using an HB graphite pencil, a red color erase pencil, a large triangle, a medium-sized triangle, a yardstick, and a white eraser. I will be using an HB graphite pencil. H stands for hardness, and B stands for blackness. The harder the lead, the lighter the line. An HB graphite pencil has a medium hardness, so it will give you a medium darkness. Start by drawing a horizon line across the middle of your paper. Now we mark our two vanishing points on the horizon line at the outer edges of the paper. Now, using a red color erase pencil, we will draw a perpendicular line that will represent a corner of the room. This line should be about 4 inches tall. Next, I will connect the vanishing points to the top and bottom corners of the line. We want to be inside the room. So to do this, I use my triangle, but you could also do this with your ruler if you prefer. Put your triangle on the right-hand side vanishing point and the top of your 4-inch line. Then draw a line from the top of the 4-inch line off the left edge of the paper. Now put your triangle on the right-hand side vanishing point and the bottom of your 4-inch line. Then draw a line from the bottom of the 4-inch line off the left edge of the paper. Now repeat this process in reverse for the other side of the room. Now, with the white eraser, I'm going to erase this diamond shape here. To create our two-point perspective room. Now we take our HB graphite pencil I will now use this darker pencil to redraw the corner of the room line and the floor and ceiling lines. This creates a two-point perspective room. Now, using a red color erase pencil, I'm going to draw a piece of furniture that's going to sit inside the room. I'm going to draw a vertical line that's going to go well above eye level and well below eye level, and it's going to sit inside the room. Just like the corner of the room, the top and bottom edges have to converge with my two vanishing points. Now with the lines drawn, I have to decide how far back against the wall I'm going to make this piece of furniture. So I have to draw a line on the right side. It's already converging to my right vanishing point. Now I need to make it converge to the left vanishing point. Now I'm going to decide how wide I'm going to make this piece of furniture. So, on the left side, I'm going to draw a vertical line. It's already converging to the vanishing point to the left, so now I need to connect the vertical line to the vanishing point to the right. Now I need to draw the inside back corner of the furniture to make it see-through. To increase the visual clarity, we will go back with an HB graphite pencil and redraw the outer lines of the furniture. Now we are going to find the midpoint of our furniture. We will do this by drawing two diagonal lines on one plane of our furniture. This creates our midpoint horizontally and vertically. Now we can draw a drawer on this horizontal midpoint. We can also draw a vertical door on our furniture. Now we will construct a doorway on the left wall. I'm going to start with the side of the doorway that is closest to the corner of the room. Just like before, I'm going to start with a line that is perpendicular to our horizon line. Once again, we are going to lay our triangle across the vanishing point and the top of the line. Now we will connect all the lines. Next, we will decide how wide we want this door to be. I will draw a perpendicular line to represent the other side of the doorway starting at the ground corner. This side of the doorway will extend from the ground corner to the red construction line on the other side of the door. Let's give the wall a thickness. Now I will redraw all these lines using my HB pencil. As you can see, all of the elements that we draw use this same process. Let's give our room a window. Start with a perpendicular line. Then use your vanishing point to create the perspective. Now we will draw the other side of the window. Notice how we continue to connect all our lines to our vanishing points. Let's give our opening a thickness. It's important that we visually match the thickness that we established with our doorway. Now I will redraw all these lines using my HB pencil. Here is our doorway and a piece of furniture that is bisected. Here is our window. If we wanted to add a rug to this room, it would be drawn a bit differently since the rug lays flat on the floor. I'll pick a spot on the floor that will be the corner of the rug. And using the opposite vanishing point, I will draw a line. I think my rug will end here. And then my last line to complete the rug. Now I'll go over all my lines using my HB pencil. We will continue this process of adding items until we finish drawing our room with all of its contents. So there you go. 2 walls, a door, a window, and a rug. We made all this with a red color erase pencil, so all the construction lines can be easily erased. Here you see my finished drawing. You'll notice that I have added some box-like furniture to the room, and even a simple lighting fixture. Now we have a completed drawing of a 2-point perspective imaginary room.